Viewers, welcome you all to Revamp ED YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to see about the fellowship. Here, the fellowship is SBI Youth for India Fellowship. Before going to see this video, if you haven't subscribed to Revamp ED YouTube channel, then do subscribe to Revamp ED YouTube channel and click the bell icon. So comes to the present video. So SBI fellowship has been offered by SBI Foundation. So it has been launched in 2011 1st March. So the program is aimed to equitable and sustainable growth by providing the urban Indian youth with an opportunity to touch lives and create positive change at the grassroots level in India. So you can see that they are giving the manpower to the NGOs and they're promoting the program ideas to contribute the rural development. So here comes they're having their vision and mission that our vision is that one day every village has the necessary capacities to develop themselves sustainably. So mission is here to build a movement of passionate and sincere change makers and bridge the rural urban gap. So you can see that the core values and all everything is there. So the fellowship is 13-month program. So out of this 13-month program you will get all the travel allowances, and apart from that you will get a sum of amount in your hand as a stipend. So it is coming nearly 15,000. So if you are willing to apply to this program, so I will give the application link in the description box. So here comes the four values they're having, that there are the core values. That one is respect, the second one is serve to the community, and the third one is creativity, and the fourth one is fairness. So here comes to the eligibility part. Now if you are having a degree, any degree, that is fresh graduates or else young professionals, and your age limit should be 21 to 32. Like they're expecting somebody who fall in this particular age category, like a youth. So here the specifically they have mentioned that your age between 21 to 32 years old as of August 1st 2020. So if, and other than that, you should be Indian citizen. So these all are the categories, like eligibility criteria they need. So after this application, once you are done with it, then there are some other process which you have to undergo. So the first one is like screening and shortlisting. So application forms are out in the first of now it is out already. So interested candidate have to register and fill the form. So you have to register and fill, then the shortlisted candidate will go through the further steps. So you can see that the shortlisted candidates are called for interview rounds held across major cities in India. So the final selection, you can see that the candidate selected post interview will be notified via email or SMS. On confirmation, candidates will be sent the offer letter specifying details of the program, fellowship support, and terms conditions of the fellowship. He or she will be have access to further material about the program areas of our partner NGOs. This will help candidates to decide upon preferred NGOs. So here comes the fellowship support, which is necessary to see this. The stipend is 15,000, and you can see that it is for meet the expenses. So local transport allowance 1,000 rupees per month, and then readjustment allowance of 50,000. Once you have done with the fellowship for 13 months, then you will get sum of amount 50,000 in your hand. You can see that the end travel to travel any training, anything you will get, you will be getting mentorship, and you can access the NGOs community also. And you can see that linkage with premium organization of the country. So you will be getting placed in a good organization, and you have to remember that SBI Foundation won't give you job directly, they will not offer you job. So these are some sectors which they are working. So it is education, women's empowerment, water, traditional crafts, technology, social entrepreneurship, rural livelihood, self-governance, health, food security, environmental protection, and then alternative energy. So if you would like to get more updates, please do subscribe to Revamp ED YouTube channel and then click the bell icon. If you enjoyed this video, then share to your friends. If you want different type of videos, different thematic areas, then you comment in the box, like I will update the videos, or else you can write a mail to me. It is there in the about box. Thank you.